Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, today we will start study economic subject in 11th standard, chapter 5, cost of production and concept of revenue. Today's topic, causes of cost of production and concept of revenue. First, helps firms to decide price of its commodity. Second, provides guidelines to maximize the profit of the firm. Third, marginal cost is useful to explain maximum profit. Fourth, concept of marginal cost is helpful to understand the behavior of a firm. Fifth, concepts of cost and revenue play an important role in taking decisions like what amount of factors of production are invested by firms, how much employment is given, what amount of production and investment is done. Sixth, concept of opportunity cost is important to know the alternative uses of factors of production in marginal economics. Seventh, concept of monetary cost is useful to give guideline for the administration of a firm. To produce any goods or services, whatever expenditure is incurred, that is known as cost of production. Next topic is various concepts of cost. Real cost, opportunity cost and monetary cost. Real cost. Real cost was given by classical economists. According to Marshall, the laborers, capitalists, and entrepreneurs who are involved in the process of production bear psychological and physical burden. Such burden is called real cost. Money spent by many producers for production work of goods is not only production cost but the fatigue, boredom, tension, stress faced by the laborers. The capitalists who sacrifice their saving and capital face anxiety, insecurity of indecisiveness are the factors included in the real cost. Real cost cannot be presented in monetary terms. Real cost is also called non-monetary terms, non-monetary cost. Professor Marshall says the factors of production face this real cost, and to attract them return is given in the form of wage, interest and profit. Problems in measuring real cost. Real cost includes fatigues, boredom, pain, sacrifice, and anxiety. The goods which have psychological impact are difficult to be measured. The concept of opportunity cost was presented by Austrian economist, but it was properly presented by Marshall. The means of production have alternative uses. More than one use. For example, on one field or piece of land of wheat is produced, then at the same time on the same piece of land other food grains or crop cannot be produced. Worker is working in textile mill, so at the same time he cannot work in any other industry. These 12 factors of production have alternative uses. Problems in measuring of opportunity cost. First, factors with one use. If any factor of production has only one use, then its opportunity cost cannot be decided. For example, some piece of land is only used to produce grass. So far as a piece of land opportunity cost cannot be calculated. Second, factor having specific use. If factors of production are specific factors, then this concept is not useful. Returns of these factors are not decided by their alternative uses, but it is decided on the basis of their demand. For example, persons having expertise over computers, scientists having knowledge of atomic power, etc. The next concept, monetary cost. Concept of monetary cost is useful in economic analysis, decisions related to production, and in price determination, because real cost and opportunity cost have many limitations. Cost of production is calculated in terms of money. Therefore, concept of monetary cost is important. The cost of production in terms of money is known as monetary cost. For example, if a factory producing pens incur the cost of rupees 50,000 to produce 1000 units of pen, so the monetary cost to produce 1000 units of pen is rupees 50,000.